Hi and welcome to Fri FAQs by Shiksha, and this is Bhagyashree here. In today's video, we will try to find answers about GATE exams as the registrations are currently going on till 29th of September. So my first question is, what is the criteria for GATE registrations?
So we'll go step by step for that. So first of all, if you consider the age limit, there is no age limit. There is no minimum age, there is no maximum age. You can apply whenever you feel. The one and only criteria that they have is a 10 plus 2 plus 3 formula. So you should have completed your 10, your 12 and 3 years of your undergraduate program. But if you go for diploma, they have a 10 plus 3 plus 2 formula. So you should have completed your 10, your diploma, and you should have completed at least 2 years of your undergraduate program. So if you're pursuing BTech, you should either be in 3rd year or 4th year of your program. And moving forward, you can apply whenever you want. Either you are pursuing some masters or you are pursuing a particular job, that doesn't matter. And if you're going for a BSc, you have to apply in the 3rd year of your program.
Moving on to the next question is, how many times can we apply for the GATE exam?
So from the government side, there is no such mandate. You can apply as many times as you want, but you need to find out if you are applying for a particular PSU, they have their age limits. Usually the age limit is between 28 and 30. So apart from that, there is no age limit for the GATE exam. But if you are pursuing the GATE exam for a particular thing, you should consider their age limit, if they have an age limit or not. For MTech or Ph.D, there is no age limit from any government college. Private colleges sometimes have an age limit, and for PSUs, you need to look at it. That's it.
So the next commonly received question is, why should I choose 3 examination cities?
So they try their level best to give you the first choice. If you apply a little late and they don't have seats left in your city, they'll give you the second choice. If you apply even later and they're not able to give you the second city as well, they give you the 3rd city at worst. Okay, so make sure you apply in time, and all the 3 cities that you choose, make sure either you can make arrangements to stay there or some of your relative is staying there. Basically, it should be easy to travel to those cities in the days of your GATE exam. That's it. But apply early, and 99% I'm sure you will get the first choice.
Another very frequently asked question from the students is it compulsory to write 2 papers in GATE?
So this is a topic that is really confusing for the new GATE aspirants. So I'll answer this in a little bit detail. Okay? So you can apply for 2 exams, that is the limit, but you can also apply for a single exam if you wish to. So don't be in a hurry to fill 2 exams. I mean, if you are confident that you will be able to crack or prepare for just 1 paper, apply for 1 paper, that's good enough. But if you feel like applying for 2 papers, there's a particular key that they release. So there is a particular combination in which you can apply for these exams. For example, if you apply for computer science, you cannot apply for aeronautics as well. There's a list that they release. If one of the exams is, let's say, computer science, what is the second exam that you can choose along with that? If you choose to give 2 exams, you'll have to pay double the fee, like for both the exams. That is 1,500 or 3,000 rupees, depending on your caste and gender. So don't be in a hurry to fill 2 exams. Sometimes what happens is students fill 2 exams and they fail to prepare for both of them. Like they prepare a little bit for the first one and for the second one, but that doesn't help you crack the GATE exam because it is a really competitive exam. So if you feel like you're confident in one exam, just go for the one exam.
So moving down to the last question, which I think all of them would want to know is, which GATE paper is easiest?
So GATE exam is a competitive exam like any other exam. So the paper being easy or tough doesn't really make a difference. You getting a good score has no influence on your rank. You should get a better score than others, and that is what matters. Like for example, in 2018, when I gave my GATE exam, I got 66.33 marks. Alright, that got me 111 rank. In the next year, the paper was a little easier, and you were getting the same rank in 70 marks. So it doesn't matter how easy or difficult the exams are for different subjects. You should be able to score more than others. So do your best, prepare all the topics that are possible for you. And that's it. You don't have to worry about how difficult or easy the exam would be. If the exam is a bit tough, everyone would get lower scores. So at a lower score, you will get a better rank. If the exam is a little easier, everyone is going to get better scores and the cutoff will be same. It will be higher.
So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries or doubts, do post your questions in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.